So if you're like me, along with thousands and millions of other homeowners, you're probably wondering, what are the benefits from migrating away from a conventional combustion-based heating system to a heat pump? And there are many. And ultimately, you're going to want to consult with your local HVAC contractors and electrical contractors. So you'll really want to have them take a look at what the heat loss is in your house, and you'll want to see and understand if the capacity of your system your electrical system is available to migrate the technologies. What comes with migrating some of these technologies is always the question of maintenance and efficiency. And those are another two main topics and benefits to migrating away from a combustion-based technology and to heat pumps. So in a conventional system, you're going to have a combustion-based process where the natural gas is being burned, and there'll be emissions associated with that. So those emissions are toxic to human beings, as well as the natural gas can leak and cause different issues inside your homes, and you'll need to have a carbon monoxide monitor to ensure that you're safe. Migrating to a heat pump would eliminate those concerns, as well as provide you with less of a maintenance bill, and the overall operating life of the equipment is going to be longer.